Are you frustrated with failed gardens lately? Most people think dirt is essential to grow strong plants. But what if you could do it with water and nutrients alone? Imagine never having to dig in the dirt again. In hydroponics, you can grow delicious vegetables wherever you live, no matter the season. Research shows hydroponic plants can grow up to 50% faster. No messy soil, no weeds, just vibrant, healthy greens. The secret is in providing roots full access to nutrients. Simple science, amazing results. Picture fresh lettuce in your kitchen all year. Take the first step now. Try a small hydroponic kit at home. Stop being disappointed by lifeless soil. Change your garden, change your life. Grow smarter, not harder. Start hydroponics and see the magic for yourself. Please like and subscribe to AmericanFarmer.us. Thanks for watching.